Okay, let's see this game. So basically this is commented by Fischer. So we're gonna see some of his comments on this game. This is just standard stuff. And now c5. Fischer said that this is a mistake and better was just e3. Why this is bad, you will see, because of this b6 move, and then these pawns are gonna get shaky. Okay, let's see. He protects, but we take. I think also a5. Yeah, a5 was even better. Yeah, the engine is saying, because you're gonna destabilize these pawns. But I guess, let's see, takes, and then a5. So better for him was to take this way, and then probably he would be fine. So that's why taking here immediately is bad, because then he connects with his pawn and then it's okay. But if you play this, then after a3, yeah, let's see that actually. a3. So here the engine is saying knight e4. So takes, and the best move is to take. Takes. I think knight d2 and e5. And you see these pawns are really gonna fall now, and so on. You can see just by looking at it. You don't have to see all the variations. Anyways, he took, and then okay, a5, a3, and Fischer for this d4 move is saying that it is actually winning. It's a fantastic move, because of course you cannot take, because of this. He takes, and then we take here, and we take the knight. But of course after this he's not gonna take here and lose more. He's just gonna lose the pawn and then this pawn. You know, maybe this pawn even. Okay, anyways. So what is this doing? It is just playing in the center. I mean, if you can advance your pawns and connect them, you're gonna control a lot of territory. Of course, sometimes advanced pawns, if they are not very well protected, are gonna get attacked and maybe you're gonna lose them. So be careful, of course. Okay. So takes. He took this way because probably he didn't wanna. If he takes here, then this one, and you have to go back. Probably. So better with just this, and then you have really strong center. This weakness does not matter because you control the center, and it's hard for him to attack. Okay, b5, bishop e6. And I like this move too, because you have to break the structure. If he plays this, then he's gonna probably lose this pawn and then that pawn too. So you're developing here. Now this pawn is weak. Rook b8, threatening bishop b3, d3. Of course, if he takes, you're gonna penetrate with the queen. You're gonna be really active. So it goes there, e4, 5, protecting everything, rook b8. Fischer is saying for this move, a very modern move, a quiet positional move. The rook is doing nothing now, but later and ... So later this rook might become really useful. So beginners usually don't do this. They think, hey, they would never play this move, because they're thinking they would just leave the rook here. But the masters develop all of their pieces, because they know that at some point they are gonna do something when they are developed. Okay, so this is a really nice sacrifice too. If he doesn't take, there are a lot of deadly options here. Anyways, he takes, you take, and then you have a two passed pawns that are very worth the knight, and they're gonna do some damage here, as we will see. Excuse me. So now attacking the knight, pushing here, attacking queen, giving up that pawn because you don't need it. You're gonna make some queens. And that's it. He resigned after this was between Johannes Zukertort, whatever. He was actually, I think this is, yeah, world championship match. This is first world championship match against Wilhelm Steinitz. Steinitz was black, and he won this game, and of course, as we know, he won the match. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, please, so the YouTube can bring more viewers, so we can have a huge chess party here on YouTube. So thanks for watching. See ya.